Hey guys and girls, welcome from XploreAll.com. Uh, in this video, I'll be giving you an introduction to Ruby on Rails. So, what is Ruby on Rails and how it is used in the current industries. I'll be discussing these things. So, first of all, Ruby on Rails. So, what is Ruby and what is Rails? You might have seen the languages like C, C++, Java, and C hash, Perl, and all. These are all programming languages, right? In the same way, the Ruby is also a programming language. Okay, and whereas what is Rails? Rails is just a framework. When you take the PHP programming language, you'll be having many different frameworks for PHP, like CodeIgniter and still uh, I don't remember much, but CodeIgniter is one, and the PHP framework is another. Cake PHP, CodeIgniter. These things are all frameworks for PHP programming language. In the same way, Ruby language also have frameworks that is called as Rails. Okay, so what is Rails is? Rails is just a framework for the Ruby language. Okay, so what is meant by framework next? So framework is all which reduces the time of code. Okay, that is all. There will be built-in programs. uh, certain programs will be built in. Okay, so that you'll just use that framework and you build the applications, whether it is dynamic applications or any other applications. Got it? Next is, so what is Ruby is an open source programming language, right? Right. So open source in the sense it is freely available. You can get it and edit however you want. Okay. And nowadays Ruby was unpopular, but nowadays it become popular. So how Ruby is unpopular because everyone knows these languages: C, Java, C++, PHP, Perl, Delphi, Object C, right? So we don't we are not aware of Ruby on Rails still. So many engineering colleges or different things, right? But it is it is one of the dynamic programming language. Okay, so when compared to C, C++, Java and all, this Ruby language is the most dynamic programming language. I can say that. Next, who invented Ruby? Ruby was invented by Matt in 1993, and he publicly released Ruby in 1995. That is version 1. Uh, like that. So Matt is from Japan. Okay, so first Ruby was invented by Japanese guy. And Ruby is a cross platform and is object oriented and easy to use. So Ruby is cross platform. Cross platform in the sense you can use it on any OS platforms like Windows, Linux, and Ubuntu, like this and all. Okay, and it is object oriented and easy to use. Object oriented in the sense, if you take that Java, you might be having classes and all. In that you'll be having the inheritance class, that there's also, so it is there you call as object oriented language. Java is also an object oriented language. In the same way, Ruby is also an object oriented language. Okay, and it is easy to use in the sense the language is very dynamic, the programming is very dynamic. Whatever code you are writing, it will be dynamic code. Okay, means you can easily build rapid applications. Okay, fast applications by using this Ruby language, programming language. Next, when you are doing this Ruby programming, you will be coming up with these things, that is Ruby gems. So what is Ruby gems? Ruby gems is a package management system for Ruby libraries, right? When I compare with Java, you'll be having Java libraries, right? In C you'll be having header files, right? They're all in libraries. In the same way, in the same way. In Java, you'll be having packages, right? You'll be having packages there, and you can define your own package into that. The same way, Ruby Gems is also a package management system for Ruby libraries. Okay, so whatever gems in the sense, uh, I can say a gem. If I want to dynamically install Ruby registration form, I can use this Ruby gem, because this library will be always be there in Ruby libraries. Okay, I can just use that gem. Suppose if you want to use the MySQL database, I'll just install the Ruby gem MySQL. I'll be telling you that in next session very clearly. So this is about introduction to Ruby on Rails. So Ruby is a programming language and Rails is a framework. So that's it, guys. Stay tuned with my next video. Thank you.